Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2017 Honda CB500F twin-cylinder sport bike, ABS brakes, only 2,800 miles on this beautifully equipped CB500F. It's got bar end meters, ASV adjustable levers, frame sliders, Akrapovic exhaust, fender eliminator, grip tape on the tank. This bike is really cool, red and black, lightweight twin 500, fuel injection, liquid cooled, ABS. This bike is awesome looking. Come by, $59.99. Make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. This one's not going to be here long. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.